No one wants to be caught short-handed for staple goods like milk, bread, and toilet paper.
We needed a couple of things. I'm throwing them in, so if I can't get out tomorrow, I can get them now. It's extremely busy. I think when a snowstorm's arriving, it really brings out the best in the employees and the customers.
How much of this do you think is panic buying?
Well, looking around right now, I'd say about 90% of it.
Also jumping in anticipation of the big storm are workers at the PennDOT maintenance sheds. They say they're gearing up and they'll be ready if the forecast comes true for the mother of all snowstorms.
Today we're in the process of hooking all of our plows up to the trucks, making sure our spreaders are working, making sure material's stocked and ready to roll.
PennDOT plans to have 70 trucks geared up for the big job ahead. Plows were being hitched and the loaders filled to treat the more than 1,100 miles of roads expected to be snow-covered this weekend. Their biggest concern is drifting.
If you get like 40-mile-an-hour winds like they're talking and a foot of snow, there's no way we can hold them open, all of them, all the time, you know.
Also open and doing a good business is the video store. By midday, it was steady. By the evening rush hour, expect it to be jammed.
They would be renting more tapes per visit during a situation like this. They plan to be cooped up for the weekend, I'm sure.
Now, the storm has already canceled or postponed two major events set for this weekend in York. The St. Patrick's Day Parade has been canceled for this year, while Sunday's Bowl for Kids' Sake for Big Brothers and Big Sisters has been postponed until March 28th.
Of 93. There's my snow-covered car. Truck's even snowed in pretty much. The front door's even snowed in, can't get out the front door. 3 foot of snow in front of it. There's the Bronco all snowed in. That's not going anywhere too soon. See snow right up the whole trunk of the tree, right to the base of where the limbs start, and those trees are a little bit higher than you think. There's the other one, pretty well buried. Boy, I was getting to work this morning. Gives you an idea of how deep it really is, doesn't it? Snow packed pretty good. Hear the wind? That is drifted like that. That is not shoveled or plowed. That has drifted around my car like that, literally. Drifted shut. Bronco. Now you see why I couldn't come to work. Kind of snowed in. I was this morning like this. Oh yeah.